I'll explain how you can write an overall to this bar chart graph. So the first thing you need to do is to look at all titles and labels. Sales have changed. Global sales in $1 billion. And we have games, DVDs, CDs, and 4 given years, 2001, 2, 3. And the numbers on the right are the $1 billion. These are the units of measurements. So once we have looked at the titles and labels, so you will have to find the overall. So let's look at what the overall is here. So the first eye-catching feature here is this gray line, gray bar, which has been highest in all the given years, starting from 2000 up to 2003. So this is the first sentence of your overall. That's what you have to include. And so when you start a sentence with this overall, so you have to form a sentence this way. So you should say, overall, although the sales of CDs declined over the given years, they had the highest figures throughout the same periods. So what I'm telling you by CDs, this one, the dark gray color, there are CDs. So they have declined, in fact. As you see, they've gradually declined, but the last two bars you can see are the same. So you can call it declined because it was higher, and then although the last two bar graphs, the last two bars were the same, it can be counted as decline over the given years. So we say, although the sales of CDs have declined over the given years, they had the highest figures throughout the same periods. So they have always had the highest figures. They always had the highest figures. So they were higher than both games and DVDs. So this is your first sentence of the overall. Usually we have two sentences for overall. So what's the second sentence? The second sentence is the change. So it's time to write about one sentence, the remaining two categories, that's games and DVDs. So in this case, you will have to say, as for games and DVDs, their sales increased steadily. As you see, this color, brown color here, so gray color, it increased steadily, and the other color as well, which is a DVD, it also increased steadily. So this is how your overall should sound. Overall, although the sales of, let me think for a while. Okay, overall, although the sales of CDs declined over the given years, they had the highest figures throughout the same periods. The same periods are 2001, 2, and 3. As for games and DVDs, their sales increased steadily.